Welcome back. Today is the third day of our 28-day cooking in the Instapot, and today we're having chicken and rice. And the ingredients we're using in our recipe today is 2 cups of long grain white rice, 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of chicken tenders that I'd previously cooked for my grandsons that they didn't eat, so I froze, 1 carrot, a half a stalk of celery, 2 teaspoons of granulated onion, 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon and a half of salt. First, gonna put the rice in. And then we're gonna put the chicken broth. Then we're gonna put the celery in. And the carrots. Next, we're going to put the granulated garlic, the granulated onion, the teaspoon of black pepper, and the teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to give it a stir. And now we're going to add the chicken and stir it one more time. Okay, now that we've got this all stirred up, we're going to get our lid on and get our Instapot going. And when you put your lid on, make sure that your release valve is set in the sealed position. You have to make sure it's on pressure cook. And now we can set our time for 4 minutes. And then you have to make sure that your pressure's on high and that your delay is off. And we can turn it on now. Okay, our rice and chicken is done. We let it bleed off for 10 minutes like you're supposed to. And now I'm going to push this button and make sure there's no steam in it. And there isn't, evidently. And we'll take the lid off. Okay, I've got it stirred up here, and I'm going to add the 1 cup of mozzarella cheese to it. Well, I've got it all stirred up. I think now I'll just get me some in a bowl and eat. Thank you very much.